Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka number 46. To the Brahmana who has known the self, all the Vedas are of as much use as a reservoir of water in a place where there is flood everywhere.
Chapter 2, Shloka 46. Yavanarthavudapani sarvatah samplutodhake tavan sarveshu vedeshu brahmanasya vijanatah.
Chapter 2, Shloka number 46. There are two terms, Karma Kand and Karma Yoga, which must be understood clearly. Karma Kand is from the Vedas and means that section which deals with the various rituals for the fulfillment of desires in this world or hereafter. Karma Yoga is from the Gita and it is the technique for purification of the inner equipment by living the Swadharma with the right mental attitude, and then through meditation discovering the self. In this shloka, Lord is criticizing those who are stuck with the Karma Kand, which is the means, and have forgotten the final goal, to know the self. Therefore, he says that to the Brahmana who knows the self, all the Vedas are of so much use as is a reservoir of water in a place where there is flood everywhere. That is, to a Brahmana or the realized one, the Vedas are of no use. This sounds weird, but the example explains it. In a village, there is a vein of water going under everyone's feet, covered by the crust of earth. Everyone has to go to the village well for water. When there is a flood, the whole village is covered with water, including the well. That time, the well is of no use. Here, the rituals of the Vedas are compared with the water in the well. They promise the fulfillment of the various desires and are useful only as long as the individual is riddled with delusory desires for sensuous fulfillment. The flood waters are compared with the discovering of the self in oneself. The seeker is flooded with infinite bliss of the divine, in which all the limited satisfactions of the rituals of the Vedas are comprehended. Having realized the infinite self, which is the self everywhere and in all, the limited satisfaction derived from the objects and beings is no more any charm for the man of knowledge. More in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita commentary by Swami Chinmayananda available. To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.